Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small Dollar Mart haul. It's a local dollar store. It's very similar to like DollarTree, Dollar General. Everything's not a dollar. Some things are a dollar, some things are higher. I've done these hauls before. We're just gonna jump right in. So Connor's party is coming up, and I actually have been looking. I was gonna make my own. I've been looking for Pin the Tail on the Donkey, but I am running out of time, and I found this for $1. They had like dinosaurs, and they had Paw Patrol, they had a clown, but I wanted the basic donkey, so I got the Pin the Tail on the Donkey game for $1. Up these basics washable scented washable markers, and I just thought they were kind of neat. There's 6 in here, and as you all know, I was putting Connor together a busy bag for his birthday gift. Lots of crafty things and things basically to keep him busy throughout the day and stuff, and just lots of fun craft stuff, so I thought that would be fun to put that in there. Also for Connor, he picked out this Transformers Robots in Disguise sticker scene book, and it has coloring pages in here. It's an activity book. You get 50 stickers. It's pretty neat. So you get different scenes you can put your stickers on. So that's really neat find for only $1. He also picked out these really cute little sunglasses, and these retail for like $5 at Walmart, so you can't be finding them for $1. And also in the toy aisle, he found this cute little pirate hat. How cute is that? I'll insert a picture of him wearing it. And we also got a $1 mystery bag, and I'll insert a picture of that now. For those of you wondering what was in the mystery bag for $1, we got a baby shower banner, a pack of party favors, they're little cross erasers, there's a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner, a can of Coca-Cola, a 3-piece lint roller set, so you have the lint roller and then 2 refills. There's an Awaken illuminating daily moisturizer. There was some candies, some loose balloons, and a pack of pea seeds and turnip seeds. So I mean, you totally get your $1's worth, and they just went through the store, looks like, and really just wanted to get rid of some stuff and placed it all in random bags for $1. And in the beauty aisle, I did find a couple new things, and I got this 6-pack of scrunchies. So we got a baby pink, more of like a light shell pink, white mint, gray, and a hotter pink. So you really can't beat that find either. And I did pick up a couple LA Colors nail polishes. This is in Gloomy. I picked the shade up, I think last year or the year before at Dollar Tree. I love the shade. It was kind of dried up, so I was happy to find that they had some there, and I picked up a new bottle of that. I love that shade so very much. And this is a new find for me, an LA Colors cuticle oil. So I was super excited to find this. Not opened it yet. It doesn't really have a smell, so if you're wondering about that. So it's just going to be a cuticle oil. For $1, once again, can't beat it as well. So that's all for my Dollar Mart haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more hauls. Check the description box for additional links. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Thanks always for watching.